Hi, this is Zoe with Base.com, and today I will show you how to sign up for a trial account on our website. First, go to Base.com, www.base.com, and in the top right corner you will see try it for free. You can also see it down here as well, and when you need to get in later, there's the sign in button right here. But we're going to click try it for free, and this is going to sign you up for a 14-day trial. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password, and then hit next. Make sure it's a strong password. And then it's going to ask for some company information. If you don't have your tax number, that's totally fine. You can put that in later. Everything else is required though. At the bottom, there will be a drop-down for your number of orders. This is for our implementation team to see how much volume you have, to see if we can help you out. Choose your level, and then hit check all, or at least I accept the terms. And then hit try it for free. And just like that, you do have a 14-day trial to try out Base.com. Click sign in and it will take you to this page. Enter your email address and log in. If there are integrations you know you'll be using, you can search for and select them here for easier access inside the panel. You can press omit, which just skips this entire process. I do want to remember that I'm connecting eBay, Shopify, and my EasyPost account, so I will leave these here and click next. There are others below if you wanted to go through the list. What features are you interested in? This section is just to select or unselect features that you might be interested in Base, you might want a tutorial for. If you select this, a tutorial will pop up once you get to that step in Base, which is kind of nice. There are other ways to access the tutorials as well, which I will briefly show in just a moment, and I will also have another video coming out showing you how to access support while you are accessing or while you are using Base. Once you're done, you hit ready, or you can hit omit to skip, and then it's going to take you to a tutorial immediately. This tutorial will take you through the different functions and areas. It's going to take you through different things, highlight different areas. If you ever want to stop the tutorial, you can click that, and then as you can see up here, you can restart the tutorial from here. You can also get other help from the notification center, from this question mark knowledge base. We also have an academy that is a bunch of videos and some questionnaires, some little quizzes that can help you get through stuff. And then we have instructional videos for you. We also have a support portal as well. Contact and ask a question. So this is also found right here. Contact and ask a question. And this is going to get you to help right away. If you're having issues with connecting and importing your products, you can go to online stores and wholesalers or product manager and say, I need help importing products from Shopify. Can you give me some instructions? there. You can put your own ticket info. This is literally just going to be a title, instructions for Shopify, and then you hit send message. That is going to go to our team and someone will get back to you. They're very responsive. So you can see down here, we now have a ticket. And we can reply to it, and we can also close and rate the ticket.